If you're comparing tax preparation services, you've likely noticed that my minimum tax preparation fee is higher than what you might find at a different firm or through DIY software. I want to explain why. The fee reflects far more than just filing your tax return. The difference is the strategy, proactive planning, and mid-year check-in. Here is exactly what is included. 3 essential services. Number 1, complete tax preparation. I will prepare your federal and state tax returns, ensuring accuracy and compliance. Number 2, dedicated tax planning. We will work together to build specific strategies tailored to your financial situation. Number 3, a crucial mid-year check-in. The dedicated session ensures we review your progress and make proactive adjustments before the year ends. The reason I bundle preparation with planning is simple. I want all of my clients to arrive at tax season informed and confident. Over the last 15 years of preparing taxes, I've seen 2 common problems I never want my clients to experience. Number 1, being shocked at their tax liability, and number 2, having left money on the table because they were unaware of valuable tax strategies. If you are my client, you will confidently be able to say that you have proactively considered every last tax saving strategy available to you. You can absolutely get your tax return prepared for much cheaper. However, that cheaper option may not focus on strategy and planning. Think of it as the opportunity cost. You might save a few $100s on the cheaper preparation fee, but you could easily miss thousands of dollars in legitimate tax-saving opportunities that we would have identified through our planning and mid-year review. The investment in the tax prep and strategy bundle isn't just for accurate filing. It's for the proactive planning and peace of mind that you're maximizing your financial situation all year long.